Westonka Public Schools has experienced remarkable growth, recognition, and success over the past decade. Our students are excelling, and it's thanks to our supportive community. As we look to the future, we know that to continue to be successful, we need to be progressing together. State funding has not kept up with inflation over the last decade, and unfunded federal and state mandates divert funds from other needed programming. Although we make annual budget reductions, over the past 2 years, Westonka has had to dip into its fund balance to protect class sizes and programs. This is unsustainable. Bonds, like the one the community recently approved, address needs for space. Levies support teachers and students by providing revenue for day-to-day operating expenses. Currently, Westonka has 3 voter-approved levies in place, with the last increase approved in 2007. Westonka is looking to simplify our levies by consolidating them into a single 10-year levy with an increase to address funding shortages. On November 5th, residents will vote on a revoke and replace levy. The new levy would be implemented with a tiered approach, generating approximately $1 million in additional revenues in 2020 and another $1 million in 2024. The tiered approach lessens the tax impact for residents as it accesses funds only as they are needed by the district. The additional revenue from this levy would help Westonka stay competitive in class sizes and programs, accelerate progress, and provide financial stability, all while maintaining the lowest school taxes in Hennepin County. The tax impact on the average home would be approximately $7.50 per month during the first tier, and an additional $6.50 per month during the second tier. If the levy does not pass, the district will need to make up to $750,000 in cuts during the 2020-2021 school year, which is equivalent to 15 teachers. Progressing together means looking to the future and securing that future for our students and our community. To learn more about the issues, visit the district website and remember to vote on November 5th.